You've probably heard that AI runs on code and data, right? Well, what if I told you that AI actually runs on uranium? It sounds crazy, but this might be the biggest investment story you haven't heard yet. Today, we are diving into why big tech giants are quietly buying up nuclear power plants. The AI boom is here, and it's incredibly power-hungry. Training large language models and running massive data centers takes an astonishing amount of electricity. We are talking about consumption levels that are starting to rival entire countries. Renewables like solar and wind are great, but they're intermittent. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. AI, however, needs power 24/7, 365 days a year. This constant, reliable power supply is called baseload power, and it's quickly becoming the new oil. So, where are tech companies getting this power? They're turning to a technology that's been around for decades but is now getting a futuristic upgrade: nuclear energy. Specifically, they're investing in something called Small Modular Reactors, or SMRs. These aren't the giant, sprawling nuclear plants you might picture. SMRs are smaller, safer, and can be built right next to the data centers they're designed to power. Think of it as having a dedicated, personal power station for your AI operations. This is a classic pick and shovel investment play. During the gold rush, the people who made the most consistent money weren't always the ones digging for gold. It was the people selling the picks and shovels. In the AI gold rush, the picks and shovels are the energy and infrastructure needed to power it all. The demand for reliable, carbon-free baseload power is exploding, and nuclear is one of the only technologies that can meet this demand at scale. Let's look at the deals happening right now. We've seen Amazon Web Services buy a data center campus directly connected to a nuclear power plant from Talon Energy, which is partly owned by Vistra, ticker Vistra. This move guarantees Amazon a massive, uninterrupted power supply. Then there's Microsoft, which has been hiring nuclear energy experts to lead its strategy for powering its data centers with SMRs. And Google has signed a deal with Constellation Energy to get round-the-clock clean energy, a significant portion of which will come from nuclear. This trend is creating a new wave of opportunities for investors. The companies building and operating these small modular reactors are at the forefront. One key player to watch is NuScale Power, ticker SMR. They are one of the leaders in the SMR space, with their design being the first to be certified by the US Nuclear Regulatory Commission. Another fascinating company is Oklo, ticker OKLO, backed by none other than Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. Oklo is developing even smaller microreactors that could power individual data centers or industrial sites. Their focus on compact, efficient designs is getting a lot of attention. And as we mentioned, Vistra, ticker Vistra, is already in the game through its connection to data centers powered by existing nuclear plants, making them a major player in the energy transition for AI. So, what does this all mean for the future? It means that the growth of artificial intelligence is directly tied to the growth of our energy infrastructure. The need for baseload power is creating an unprecedented boom for the nuclear industry. As tech companies continue to build bigger and more powerful AI models, their demand for electricity will only go up. This isn't just a short-term trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we power the digital world. The AI revolution doesn't just run on silicon chips. It runs on a steady, powerful, and reliable flow of electrons, and increasingly, those electrons are coming from uranium. The next time you use an AI tool, remember the incredible energy infrastructure working behind the scenes. This connection between AI and nuclear energy is one of the most important and potentially lucrative stories of our time. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the biggest opportunities aren't in the shiny new technology itself, but in the essential foundations that make it all possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the trends shaping our future. See you next time.